Hello everybody, hey, it's Mike from Mike's Place, and I'm starting to think summer, so what we're going to do is one of my favorite summertime side dish, which is macaroni salad.
All right.
And then I'm going to do the on steroid version at the end.
All right. Ooh, on steroid? All right.
First thing you want to do is you get your water up to boiling. I always add salt. And then I just pour this in, it usually takes about 11 to 12 minutes. And if you notice, I'm using Cappotelli noodle. I love these little squiggly noodles. They're better than the regular macaroni, and they're just very exciting.
All right.
Hey Doug, what I like to do first is I like to make the sauce. Some people say you don't want to put a lot of mayo in because it takes away from the taste. But I love Hellmann's mayo and I want to taste it. So that's about this much. I'm thinking that's about eight ounces or so. So I put this in. And then I add about 2 tablespoons, a little bit extra sugar. And then I like about 2 good tablespoons of, a lot of people use Grey Poupon mustard. I say hell no. I like the real stuff. Okay?
All right.
Then, if you're going to use a real strong onion, a lot of people actually take the white vinegar and they chop up their onion and then they let the vinegar soak in onions. It sort of takes away the bite of the onion. But these are pretty sweet onions, so I'm okay. I'm going to put maybe 2 tablespoons of white vinegar in there. Okay. And then I like to season it with little Lowry's, some fresh pepper. I like this ground stuff. And then this is my fresh parsley in a bottle.
Oh, nice.
I couldn't find any good parsley when I was shopping. So I put about that much in here.
How much is that much?
That much. I'd say about a good heavy tablespoon. And then I mix it all up. And somebody might have put a little too much mustard in there, but we'll fix it. I'm going to add some more mayo. Okay, Doug? Thank you.
Right.
Okay, so I added a little bit more mayo.
Okay. What's the consistency, Mike? What are you looking for here?
Just about this.
Okay.
Because the thing with the pasta, a lot of people don't understand. Technically, you should not even rinse the pasta because if you're going to store this overnight, if you don't rinse the pasta, you just break it up nicely, it'll soak all of it into it. And then what you might have to do the next day when you pull it out is you might have to add a little bit of milk to rejuvenate it. Or what I do is I just add some more of my favorite mayo, Hellmann's.
Gotcha.
Okay. Hey Doug, what I do is I like to strain it. Doug, what I'm doing here is I'm going to cut all these vegetables. I like about a half a cup to 3/4 cup of vegetables for everything. And then we have eggs, which I'm going to put in, which just really adds to it. So I'll go ahead and cut these up real quick for you. Hey you guys, when you cut your vegetables, don't worry about them being all the same size. I mean, this is country cooking, just make it, big enough, but not too small, just random. And I love cutting all the way up on the scallions, it's a great little garnish. So don't waste all this good stuff.
Gotcha.
Okay. Everybody, this is the most important part in your salad, the egg. And egg prices are coming down, Doug.
How much are they at now?
They were $1.30 for jumbo eggs.
Eggs got up there.
Let's see how nice the shell comes off. You know, if you boil them, and then you cool them quickly, bam, done. See how easy they peel?
That's the way to do that.
Amen. Hey Doug, what we're going to do now is I'm going to add all the vegetables. You know, a lot of people like to put red fresh pepper in there. It probably is good, but I'm a traditionalist, so I add this.
What's the red pepper add to it?
You know, the sweet red pepper.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
It's really delicious. Okay. Make sure you're always washing your hands. Okay.
Gotcha.
So now what I'll do, Doug, is I'm going to mix it all up.
Yeah.
Okay. We're ready?
Sounds good.
Yeah. Now, all we need
Is the
is
macaroni?
the star of the show. Woohoo! Now remember, Doug, this has not been rinsed off.
Okay.
So I'm adding it in.
And what was the reason for not rinsing?
Because if it sits overnight, it'll actually pick some of this up. It'll
Gotcha.
really immerse itself in the in this fine mess we have here. Okay. Now this is where you would check it over and see what else you need.
Mm-hmm.
Now, like I said, we're doing mac salad on steroids. So this is the first batch. So Doug, what I'm going to do is wash my hands.
Okay. You got the bowl?
Right. So Doug, I'm gonna save some so you can try both. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I think that's about that. Okay. Thank you.
Man.
Okay. Now. Okay, Doug, you ready?
Yeah.
Mac and cheese on steroids.
Ooh.
Crispy bacon.
All right. Yeah, that just sounds really good.
I just heard the phone. I hope that's not my doctor calling. And then Tony Creole. Oh, holy moly.
Man. You just kicked it up a big notch.
We did. We did pick it up. So,
That's a totally different.
okay, Doug, I already tasted it, but
All right, so I'm gonna taste this. So you've given me this official cup that says Troublemaker. Shout out to Tracy Murphy, by the way, because she was the official. She actually called me a troublemaker back in school. So shout out to you, because I think it's fit for what we're doing here. So, Mike, so this is the one with the bacon.
on steroids, and that's traditional next to it.
All right. And you already tried it.
Mm-hmm.
And how did it taste?
Tastes like my macaroni salad.
It's a second week.
It's good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
So what's the difference with the noodle? Why you do the noodle this way?
Cappotelli, such a full noodle.
You just like what it does to the dish.
Yeah, you like the taste of it?
That's really good. I should have tasted this one first.
Right. I like the little seasoning
You know
that
what?
Tony Creole gives you.
That is like really good. Let me try this one. Man,
I go straight to the good stuff.
Mike, it's like every video we do. It's like I want to say like, it's okay, but it's all good. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Taste the difference?
This is really good. This, yeah, it's like a totally different one.
Mm-hmm. Very easy to do. This is an easy and delicious summertime dish.
Both, yeah. This is definitely on my list to try.
And if you ever want to like turn it up a little bit more, you know, you can cut the mayo in half and put sour cream in.
Ooh.
So that's just another thing.
Well, thanks, Mike.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat these.
Well, thanks everyone for listening to our video, watching them, and please subscribe. And if you need any kind of help, you can always get a hold of Doug Jenkins. He does lots of these videos.
We'll see ya. You cut them.
Yeah.
Folks at home, this is how you cut stuff.
Just take your time.
Yeah. How long have you been doing this?
I think this is my second week.
Oh, just started?
Yeah. If I had a dime for every piece of
First day?
every vegetable I've ever cut, I'd be a rich man. If I was a rich man. La, da, 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 da.